Ade. Fit check. Levi's, black Levi's t-shirt. Gifted ni sa akong husband sa akong birthday or Christmas last year. Then, akong pants kay sa Uniqlo. My shoes is from Tommy Hilfiger or Hilfiger. My watch is from Apple Watch.
Check. Ano Levi's, Big John, Air Force, Oakley, Meta Glass Oakley.
Ako po, Ray-Ban. Hair from myself. Muna to ang fit check, guys. Happy anniversary sa ato ah.
Happy anniversary to both of us. Happy 8 years. Alaman. Puti ng gabi eh.